Hi, welcome to Sue Maree P. My name's Sue and today I'm going to share what to do with some cooked buckwheat. I've cooked some buckwheat a few days ago. I cooked half a cup, so it makes 1 cup cooked. I've rinsed it. Now I'm going to turn it into a salad and I need a salad bowl. No, before I do that, I'm going to roast some carrots. So before we started filming, I've set my oven to 200 degrees C with a fan. I've toasted 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, so they're going to go on the top. I've already prepared my carrots. So it's a roasted carrot buckwheat salad. So they're already peeled and sliced. I had small ones, so I couldn't get them on the diagonal to make them look pretty, as I would have liked. So I'm just popping those in. I've got 250 grams, which is 1 cup and 3/4. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil and just a tiny bit of a drizzle of honey. I'm just going to do 3/4 of a teaspoon. This is quite a thick honey. This is optional if you're avoiding any sugars, or if you want to make this recipe vegan, don't put the honey. And optional, but I'm going to put some chili flakes on it just for a little bit of zing. Now they need to roast in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're soft. And I'll roast them for 15 minutes. I hadn't really planned what bowl to do it in, but I thought I'd do it in a clear bowl so you can see what it looks like. So we're going to toss the buckwheat in there. And as I said, I rinsed that. I just boil that in some water with some salt, and I've got a video that I can pop up above so you can see how I cook it. I'm going to make a dressing for it. So I've just got a jar here, and I'm going to add maybe 3 tablespoons of the lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I've also made this with balsamic vinegar when I didn't have any lemons in the house. And I need that honey back, Sue. You can add maple syrup if you didn't want to put honey in it. I'm just going to do maybe 1/2 teaspoon. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm actually going to throw that on the buckwheat now just to soak through the buckwheat. I've got 80 grams of feta cheese that I've just crumbled. So I'm going to pop that in. I've got some fresh herbs, parsley and dill. I'm going to chop some of that up. So that was just a handful, which is probably about 1/4 cup once it's all chopped. Roughly chopping, not too fine. And I've got some dill. I'm actually going to use all my parsley because I just thought I'm not going to use it for another recipe this weekend. The carrots are roasted and I've let them cool down just for 10 minutes. So I'm going to toss them into the salad. The colours look amazing. And then you can sprinkle it with the sunflower seeds. You can also add sesame seeds if you like. I'm going to go in and have a taste. That's delicious. I love the dill with the lemon and the crunchy seeds with the carrots. This is one idea on how to use up your cooked buckwheat. Make it into a salad. Hope you've enjoyed this idea on how to make this delicious roasted carrot and buckwheat salad. Let me know in the comments below if you have what your favourite recipe is for buckwheat. Maybe it's sweet, maybe it's savoury. Let me know in the comments below. Or if you'd like to see more recipes with cooked buckwheat, also let me know in the comments below. I've got a few other ideas I'm going to share over the next few months. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.